Okay, so for 512, they give us some data. So first, when she first looks at the bacteria, so that's time of 0, right? There are 1,000 cells, right? So there's 1,000 cells. And then the next day, there are 2,000 cells, so that's here, right? And then the next day, there's 4,000 cells, that's here. So clearly we can see that it's multiplying by 2, so that would mean the next day there's 8,000, 5, 6, 7, 8,000 cells, right? And the graph would look like this, right? So A says, should the graph of this situation be linear or curved? So it's clearly curved, right? It's an exponential. And then create a table and a graph for the situation. So we already created the graph, so let's make the table. So the inputs are the days, so days, right? Days. And the outputs are number of cells. So here's our table, right? So 0 was 1,000. 1 was 2,000. 2 was 4,000. 3 is 8,000. Let's see, does it ask how far we have to go? No, so 4 is 16,000. Right, and you could go as far as you'd like for this one.